Hello everyone, welcome back with Revit basic tutorials how to identify paint. Okay, for example in here I will create a simple walls with the wall architecturals. The next you can change into 3D view. You can click at this icon 3D in a project browser. Now if you want to add paint into these walls, you can go to modify and use these tools. Paint. The next you can choose your paints, like I will set into this paints. Brick engineering. You can click in wall, so it will be automatically changed. Now, how to identify this paint? Okay, you can click again this tools paint. The next you can sort on walls, like I will sort in here. It will be show pop out, and you can see this wall painted with brick engineering. If you change, like we can set into this carpet, and you can click this wall, and you can move this cursor into this wall. It will be show paint with carpet. Okay, that's it. How to identify paint in Revit. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.